I'm usually more funny than this. Hello? I'm hoping my camera doesn't fall. It's in a very precarious place. I think that's the right word to say. My name is Kendra, and I'm gonna be fulfilling an order today from one of my biggest orders, 6 sweatshirts. And I just got the sweatshirts yesterday, so I have them and they're ready to go. I have the design on the machine, and I just need to basically hoop everything and then stitch it all out. I'm not feeling 100%. I think I'm getting a cold, so I have my husband here today. He's gonna be helping me. He's gonna be helping me film and maybe measure things out. I don't know if we're gonna get through all of them. They're all different colors, and I'll show you the logo that's gonna be put on. It's like an original design. I had it digitized, and so everything's ready to go, and I'm gonna show you what it's like, and if there's any hiccups and any problems, you get to see what's going on. So let's get into it. I have all my colors. See here? The person ordering wanted all these different colors, so I have that, but I have a little bit of a predicament. So you know how I can't tell colors sometimes? So she picked out this color that I had listed as sandstone, which looks like this. Okay, I don't know how that's showing, but it's kind of like a sand color. How else do I say that? So ivory is this one. Okay, ivory, come on, dude. Seriously? Okay, ivory is this one. And I'm debating whether the sandstone color is one of these, because ivory is this like more yellow tone, lighter color, which is like one of those, right? Like I think personally, I think sandstone is this one because it's almost gray, but it has kind of a natural mud tone to it. It has like a warm, it's like a warm gray. Like I wouldn't call it gray, I wouldn't call it, I don't know, I don't understand, but I do think it's this one. And I haven't shown Joe these yet, but he's gonna be the decider factor. He's gonna decide for me. So we brought in the decision maker. So I'm about to show him the colors, and let's see if he agrees with me. He agreed with me! So it's official. We're both gonna get in trouble if she doesn't like this one, but that's what we're choosing, number 399. Okay, I'm gonna hoop everything and then get it started. So we had our first little boo-boo, and I don't know what happened. It just made a weird noise, and then it wasn't stitching through the needle anymore, so I stopped it. Actually, Joe stopped it because I was eating oranges. I'm just gonna rethread it and start it where it was. It's almost done. You can look. It says, if nothing else, love, and then it has that lady's logo, so it's on else. So I'm just gonna redo it and then it started back up. But this happens like a lot. Like, I don't know if I've done something even one time without something bad happening. So this is just normal. Okay. So it's done. It looks good, but I'm never really relieved. I'm never really relieved until I get it all the way out and I make sure it didn't sew through the back or anything, or it's crooked. So I'm going to take it out now and see how it looks. Looks good. I didn't make a boo-boo. Basically, it's done. And it looks pretty good. What do you think?
Oh, it's good. Yeah.
Okay. So I just need to, you get a close-up of it. I need to cut these little trimmy parts off and then cut the rest of the stabilizer that you saw, and then I'll hang it up and then we'll just do the next one because it turned out well. So I'll just keep going and make sure I change out the colors to what the next thread color is. So I just finished the third sweatshirt out of 6, which means I'm halfway done. I just did the maroon one and it turned out really well. There was no thread breaking or anything that whole time. Each sweatshirt takes about 13 minutes and then maybe like 10 minutes for hooping and measuring and everything. And then with a baby and then making lunch, it's been a few hours. So I'll show you what I've done already. Everything, all the embroidery has turned out pretty well. I had a hard time with the green one when I was using the temporary spray to make the sweatshirt stick to the stabilizer. I'm using like a new brand, so I don't know if it's the can or user error or what, but like a glob of it got through the back of it on the top of the sweatshirt, so now there's like a little tiny dark stain on the front of the green sweatshirt. So I have to figure out how to get that out. I tried acetone and it didn't really help, so I'm not sure what to do about that, but the embroidery turned out okay. It was difficult. I had a few mistakes I had to go over and use a seam ripper, so that's why you didn't see a whole lot of that, because I was kind of frustrated and done with that one. So it's completed. I just need to figure out the stain thing. Yep, let's see what else we can do. I think I'm just gonna keep going. I have 2 more, so I'd like to be done. So I'm just gonna do the last 2 and see what happens. We're officially on the last sweatshirt. So I'm finished. In total, I got 6 done today. That's the most I've ever done, and I'm surprised I was able to do it because I don't feel great. But my husband was able to help me a little bit, and so sometimes he would watch the machine while I did something with the baby. So that kind of helped. It definitely took a long time. I started, I think, around noon, and I think it's like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. But I'm really happy to have them done. They turned out really well. Other than that one green one with the glue mark on it, there's really no other issue. All of the other ones that I did with the ivory thread, they turned out really good. But other than that, there's like no problem. And I thought for sure, like I was pretty certain I was gonna mess up something bad enough where I would like immediately have to order something and replace it, and it would cut into how much I made, because it's happened before. It's pretty easy to mess up a sweatshirt completely where you can't fix it. Yeah, if you like videos like this of me making things all day long, let me know. You know what? I'm just gonna see you later, okay? See ya.